everyone. Thank you for watching me along this journey, for me preparing the bike for this long-awaited trip. It's finally time. I'm heading out tomorrow for my trip from Toronto to Tuktoyaktuk, which is Arctic Ocean. I could possibly be also traveling to Alaska, but that just depends on multiple things. But we'll take it as we go along. Today I decided to show you everything I did on this bike in terms of upgrading it, to what I did, and then I'll show you with the bike on, with my luggage on it, so you get an idea of exactly how it is. I'll also explain you on the while placing things what I have in my bags and why did I do that. So maybe you could fill me in if you have any advices, or if you want to ask me any questions for your upcoming trip, feel free to write in the comments below. Let's get started. We'll start from the front and head back. So on the front, the first thing I got was I installed a light protector here, which is a film protector here. Then as you see front, I have a TourTech headlight protector guards, which is here. And then down here I have the Machine Art Moto front fender extender, which extends it all the way down here to protect the rocks from flying and hitting the bike here. And also up here I have the shock socks and the OEM radiator guards. So these are the OEM black radiator guards, which I have. They are of hard plastic material. Here I have the snakeskin tank protectors on the side as well. The center, it's on the both sides. Down here you will see the Machine Art Motor slender head guards, which is protecting it all the way down here. It's again on the left and right sides. Both sides have this. Moving back here quickly, you'll see I have another Machine Art Motor fender extender, which is the rear fender extender. Extends it from here all the way going down. So that protects it from rocks and chips, anything hitting the rear shock, just to protecting them. Up here, the biggest upgrade I did, one of the biggest one, was the Sergeant seat. So front and rear Sergeant seats with a backrest, and these both seats are with integrated heat. So these are all the upgrades that I did to protect the bike. What I'll show you now is having the bags on the bike and letting you know a bit of what I have in each of the bag and why did I how did I place my items in. So now, as you can see, the bike is almost fully loaded. I have to do a couple of quick, add few things more, so that I'll probably pull the bags off once I'm done with the video. But let's start from the front again. I have a Pro Engage SW Motec tank bag, and along with that I have a Moscow Moto phone holder, which is up here. So this will be holding my phone in case I want to read, or I can roll it back. This has the this is the SW Motec Pro Engage bag, and what I've kept inside is quick things like I need maybe a snack bar, or a hand sanitizer, a quick tie up to tie my drone controller, and important documents. So this is basically something that when I get off at a gas station, or I get off to let's say for a quick break, this will always be the one that's going with me. So the idea behind it is that when I get off the bike, I pull the thing, bags off, I take it with me. So this is with me every time, no matter where I stop, where I do, so that's what it is. The keys will be in here. That's the whole idea. I come back, it's a quick install. You just place it on the tank back here and hear the click, and it's good to go. Perfect. Let's move back here. I have my two side, these are all BMW Atacama soft panniers. So the side bags here, both my side bags, the left and right side ones, have my clothes in them. So I haven't kept any of the clothes that I'm wearing along the route, or whatever I've planned, it's all in here. So both my side panniers are with my clothes. The one which is facing the exhaust side, it's a 25-liter BMW Atacama side bag. The other one is a 35-liter on the right side one. Let's move to the center here. What I have here is a duffel bag. It's another BMW Atacama duffel bag. I still need to add some things in. What goes on the top here is a Hydra pack to store water for drinking, and then underneath that are other things. I've kept a tripod pole and my laptop and some other things. So that's what everything stores up here. The reason for it to be on the center and the seat is so it's safe. If there's any fall or anything, nothing gets damaged. That's the reason for this thing to be here. Apart from this, so I would say the second important bag after my first Protec is the center bag or the duffel bag. But unfortunately, there's not much I can do with the duffel bag. I will be tying it up to secure it. But apart from that, there's no other way to secure it, But as far as I've heard or read forums, in hundreds of thousands of kilometers or miles people have traveled, there is rarely a case of, things being stolen off your bike. But like I said, better be safe than sorry. I'll always have my eyes on it. But this is where it is. So laptop, anything important that is, if I keep it on the side might be crushed, is going in the center duffel bag here. Let's move back here. What I have installed is this holder. It's a BMW Motorrad OEM grip holder. This was also one of the things that I installed. I forgot to mention it earlier. What I can do is I can pretty much extend this by loosening up the buckles here, and this will become into a big holder here. I can easily insert a jacket, or let's say a bag if I have another duffel bag or any such item in here. So that becomes another bag holder. So excellent quality. Also it can be used, let's say if I'm taking my hard box, like top box with me overnight back to the room. I can just unlock it from the bottom here, lift it up along with the thing, and take it with me. What's inside here is if I open it up, I've installed a net. Again, this is a BMW OEM net that holds quite a bit thing. If you have a top box, this is definitely a recommended accessory. What's in here are my waterproof climb gloves. I have my med kit here. I have some tools, other things, some gloves, and these items. The reason for me having my the med kit and the gloves here, because this is a quick let's say I'm off, I need to take out something quickly, I can always take it out. The other reason is this compartment will always be locked unless I am stopping in for the night, or I have to take the top box off my bike. That's when it will be off. The other times it will always be locked when it's on the bike, even when I'm stopping in for a break. What others I have in, I have a tire compressor here, a small battery packed tire compressor, which is a Ryubi one. I have some other things, other zip ties. I do have some, my major toolkit is in here, my drone is in here, batteries are in here, slime, water is in here. What else? I have some bug spray. So all those things that I might need, and a quick, I don't have to open my side panniers or my duffel bag for this. I can just quickly open my top box, take out these things, use it, put it back in. And also the other thing is to secure them. So most of the things here are also very important, and that is why the good thing is to, I should be able to lock it when I want, lock it this way, and then lock it with the key to secure it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is the episode probably 001 of the series of Toronto to Arctic Ocean. I'll be linking down also all the links of all the installations that are done on the bike, whether it be the front OEM radiator guards or any other snake skin or any other installations that I did on it and I made the videos. They'll all be linked down in the description. Feel free to let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon so you don't miss on any upcoming videos regarding my trip from Toronto to Tuktoyaktuk. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you on the road.